Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Since I'm all preparing and decorating for Ramadan, I'm not at all neglecting my front door. For that, I'm making this Ramadan wreath, which is easy, quick, and of course on a budget. So let's go and make it happen. So for this wreath, first we need a wreath form, which I got from Dollar Tree. I'll be using glue gun to stick everything. Then I bought these wooden letters from Dollar Tree, and I bought 2 packs because I need 2 A's. We are still missing 1 A, and I'll let you know in the end how I make it. Then I need these ribbons. I bought these burlap ribbons, and I'll be using the turquoise one for this wreath. I bought this ferns and flowers from Walmart. These are all the things which we need. So I took all the Ramadan letters and then spray them gold and let them dry completely. Then I took this burlap ribbon. I measure it and I am thinking to make it like a banner. So I cut the ends with the angle to make it look like a banner. Then I try to arrange the letters and see how they are working out. And then I want to make sure that I'm putting the ribbon, like the banner on top or at the bottom. And I doing the top part. You can of course put the banner underneath the wreath form as well. Then I stick it on the wreath form with the glue gun. Let it wait for like a couple of minutes, and then I am arranging and sticking these Ramadan letter on this ribbon with the glue gun, and still 1 A is missing because I wanted to keep it like this. I thought this is okay. Then I cut the ferns from the stem and I pull out the flowers from the stem, which was very easy. Then I arrange the ferns. I'm doing the bottom ferns the right way and the top ferns the left way. I hope I'm making sense. You can see clearly how I'm doing it. Then I arrange the flowers as well, like in an angle to make it look more beautiful. Again, you can do however you like to do on your wreath form. I'm showing how I arranged it. And then I did the top part as well, exactly same how I did the bottom part with the glue gun. Added some more flowers to give it a aesthetically look pleasing. Then I'm adding some leaves as well, which came with the flowers. Now to hang the wreath, I am attaching curly ribbon at the back. And then I realized that we need an extra A. It doesn't look nice without that. So I took L and V from the same pack and then make another A and then attach it to the wreath back. So now my spring decorations are coming down and my Ramadan wreath is going on my main door to let the people know that Ramadan is here to share the happiness and that joy which Ramadan is all about. If you like this wreath or if you're drawing this at home, please let me know. Comment down below how it turned out with you with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Please remember me and my family in your prayers. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy more videos like this.